Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself on the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we'll be taking a look at this Datejust 31 from Rolex, the reference number 126331. This one with a chocolate sunray diamond hour marks on a two-tone, or what is known as the Everose Rolex bracelet, and with the fluted bezel. Reference number again 126331. I'll be going over the aspects of this watch, the case, bezel, dial, the crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet. I'll be giving my thoughts on these throughout this video. So starting off with the case, we have 41 millimeters. It's in the name, Datejust 41. From 2 to 8 o'clock position or 10 to 4 o'clock position, you still have the same 41 millimeters. Monoblock middle case in Oyster steel, and the screw down case back and the Rolex winding crown to ensure water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet below sea level. You have an overall nice high polish along the sides of this case, as well as on the front of the case, as evident on the lugs tapering down very nicely to the integrated bracelet. No bevels here, just clean and smooth. Made again with Oyster steel, meaning that it is Rolex's own proprietary blend of the highest grades of steel and some other minerals to make it not only strong, but incredibly lustrous, highly reflective, and absolutely beautiful. The Rolex portion of this watch means that it is a two-tone watch, so the bezel is part of the Everose portion of that. Everose sort of combining rose gold with the everlasting nature of the way that Rolex puts together their Everose gold, so that basically it lasts for the entire lifetime of the watch. Essentially, other rose gold, basically rose gold by other manufacturers don't really last quite as long. They sort of lose their color over time and fade back to a yellow gold. This one, for Rolex's own proprietary blend, it's made to last basically for the entire duration of the watch's lifetime, which is basically forever. We have the fluted bezel here, originally made with the intent of screwing directly onto the front of the case to ensure the water resistance, but here it's just kept as a mark of distinction because, well, you don't really need to enforce the waterproofness of the watch through that. We have the winding crown and the screw down case back to do that, and of course the crystal right on front. The crystal itself being a nice sapphire crystal with a cyclops lens directly over the date, as you can see. Magnifies the date, small on the dial, but nice and big under that cyclops lens, very easy to read. You also have the diamond hour marks on this dial with a minute track going around the very edge, the peripheral of the dial, so you know the minutes and seconds as they tick by. The hour marks themselves, again, diamond hour marks, rounded diamonds with 18 karat rose gold settings, matching that of the bezel and the mid section of the bracelet, as well as that Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock. Date aperture at 3 o'clock again, so you know the date there. It's part of the name Datejust. Now simply unwinding the crown at the 3 o'clock position, this allows you to wind the watch. Looking at the crown functions here, simply wind the watch, rotate it about 20 to 30 full times from a dead stop. You will get you to the full power reserve. Rather simple there. Pull the crown out to the next position. You can advance the date by 1 just by rotating it clockwise. It's about a quarter turn, maybe a little bit less than that, to advance the date by 1. So if you find yourself on, say, the 30th of an irregularly numbered month, you can just simply move it over once, wait for the hour hand to pass midnight. It's unrestricted, so you can do this at any time of the day. You can do this at 11:59 should you so desire, and it won't make any extra wear or damage on the movement. All right, pull the crown out to the final position. Notice that that seconds hand does in fact stop, giving you that hacking function, so you can then set the minute hand and place it precisely wherever it needs to go based on the position of that seconds hand. Wait for an atomic clock to roll around, just simply press that crown back in and you get that seconds hand started up once more. Screw that crown back in nice and tightly to advance or to maintain the superior water resistance of the watch. So it makes all this work on the inside. Can't see through the case back, but you do have that solid steel as basically security there for the 32-35 caliber, made in-house by Rolex with the ±2 second per day time differential after casing. giving it that superlative chronometer certification as printed on this and every Rolex dial. You also have the center hour, minute, and seconds hands with the instantaneous date with the rapid setting and the stop seconds for precise time setting. All those functions I had just shown using the crown functionality. The oscillator on the inside features a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, high-performance Ferroflex shock absorbers. So what does that mean? That basically means that you can take physical bumps here and there, and you can even get relatively close to magnets, circuitry, and anything that has potential electromagnetic interference, and it won't make any move or any influence on the movement or any of the timekeeping precision of this watch. It'll be nicely unaffected. You also have a bidirectional self-winding perpetual rotor center mounted on the inside, meaning that basically just wind the watch physically, manually, using the crown from a dead stop, of course, put on your wrist, and the natural movements of your wrist keep that perpetual rotor winding the mainspring barrel, and then charging the power reserve thereafter. The power reserve for this watch, nearly 70 hours. So you can set this down on Friday evening, pick it back up Monday morning, ready to conduct business. No need to wind the watch. Just simply wear it all day, really. You don't even need to wind it at all. Just wear it all day. You'll be back to full power reserve by the end of the day. While I'm zoomed out here, you can also see we do have the bracelet here, the Oyster Bracelet, with 3-piece links across, nice and flat, with the 3-piece link construction here. Oyster steel on the outside, satin brush finish, with the intermediate links being a high polish Everose gold. Gentle taper down to the folding clasp here, the Oyster folding clasp, complete with my fingerprints, of course. Rolex crown logo just raised on there. Lift from the top to open it, to unhook it. You have the full Rolex logo and a full steel construction for the bracelet and the clasp itself, or just for the clasp, not the entire bracelet, because the rest of the bracelet is, again, two-tone, that Everose Rolazor. Taking a look here at the clasp, you also have the easy length 5mm extension, meaning that if you have this watch sized perfectly to your wrist, when it happens to be really hot outside, or you just pounded 3 liters of water, your wrist will swell, imperceptible to just about everyone, but you will certainly feel it when the watch becomes a tourniquet on your wrist. So just simply reach under here, pull it straight out. There you go, another half Oyster link, so you can continue to wear your watch nicely and comfortably. When you no longer need it anymore, just simply fold it back in on itself, and it clips in very nicely into that clasp. While I'm here, I'll try it on my wrist, 7 inches in circumference, to show you what it looks like here with this 41mm dial and the 41 and the case to match that. It does have a larger stance on my wrist, although if your wrist is 7.5 to even 8 inches in circumference, you can wear this nicely and comfortably. It'll fit you perfectly. If your wrist is smaller, you could continue to wear, you could actually wear this down to maybe even 6 inches in circumference. Anything smaller than that would be comically large. But if you're going for wrist presence, this watch certainly has it, not only with the size, but also the overall look. The chocolate mixing with that very, very warm rose gold look is very, very nice and unified in its overall look, and the diamonds on there quite distinguishable and very distinguished in their own right. Sitting on, looking at it from the side of the wrist here, there's a little bit of space under the lugs just because I have a 7-inch wrist, a little bit more round than flat, but the Oyster bracelet does keep my wrist nice and vented regardless of whether there's space there or not, because these links basically have zero tolerance among them, so that basically the entire lifetime of this watch will allow you to wear this watch without it pinching your skin, pulling hairs out of your wrist. It feels incredibly comfortable and wicks away sweat and nicely and easily like that. So taking one last look again on the wrist, for me it feels a bit big because I personally prefer 36mm models from Rolex. But if you have a wrist about the size of mine, what do you think? Do you think it'll fit yours just fine, or do you think it fits my wrist just fine? Let me know down in the comments below. Be sure to hit the like button and hit the subscribe and bell notifications so you can be notified when we go live with another video like this one. And as always, if you'd like to purchase this watch or any other watch, visit our store at jazztime.com. Links in the description below where you can buy this watch. If you want to purchase any other watch, you can just follow that link anyway. Search for any other watch, new, used, discontinued. We can probably get it for you, very likely. Yeah. Chances are basically zero that we won't be able to find your watch. But anyway, we can find it for you at the lowest possible price anywhere online. Thanks for watching. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.